So my wife is amazing. Oh, I thought that was falling. She got me a coffee pot. And I don't know. Oh yeah, you can see it. It is making coffee. And I can tell it to brew in the morning without me being up in the morning. Look at that. I mean, yes. And then I got a big A grinder right here. And I got my whole beans I like. This one's a Starbucks blend she didn't like from some time ago. And I am making coffee. I mean, that is so cool. And man, it smelled good just chopping up them beans. Almost didn't eat coffee. I thought about just crunching on them suckers. Is there something on my lens to make it look streaky? There, that's better. Yeah, this is the Holiday Herbal and Sweet Maple Notes whole bean coffee, 100% Arabica, medium roast. To me, it smells like Folgers when I grew up. And I told it to brew on the strong setting. There we go. But yeah, I mean, a guy can't get a whole lot better than that. It is nighttime, and yeah, I'm making myself coffee. Well, one, to test it out, and two, because why not? Coffee's good any time of day. Then I got Skull Shaver. Zip, zip, zip. But yeah, this is kind of my routine at night. Normally I'm cooking, but I'm waiting for groceries to get delivered here in about an hour or so. But the mechanic come in for this afternoon, got my trailer ready. And I might just get up tomorrow at some point, which will be Sunday, and just roll on down to the job site, park at the job site. I might. They said though no one's gonna be there, so I don't know if it's the kind of job site that requires a check-in and you can't get on site when you just want to show up early. I don't know. But the whole time I'm talking, I started doing this, just got that little bit of new hair growth taken off. And then you just get behind the ears, base of the neck, and you're done. Just once a day. Or you can do it twice a day, in the morning and at night. Well, Skull Shaver brand. Got the cheap one to try it out. Out of all the options they had, and it works great. Most people go, oh, they're crappy. That's because they don't clean the heads on those things. You got to clean your heads on any electric shaver, even if you use it in the shower. Is it smelling good? Huh? Well, I don't have any. I ain't cooking right now. We're waiting for groceries to show up, or we might get groceries, put them away, and then just run into Mickey D's to be lazy. Oh, he hears it. Hears it brewing. Macker. Back up, my boy. Oh, it stinks up good in here. He's a playin'. Macker is a playin'. But yeah, making coffee. It's not going to take too long for a cheap Mr. Coffee. Yeah. That'll make a guy happy, I tell you. Truck stop coffee is so watered down. But it's free when you get it at the place you get fuel normally. Ah, you pushing on me. Where'd Mac go? Hey, Mac. The red ghosty four-legged ghost. Mac, what are you doing? Hi. Hey, little devil. Hey, careful, I don't want you to hit your head. Hang on, would you like some help? Here. My gosh, I don't even know if I can get you. Let me put the camera down. Let me help you out so you don't hurt yourself. What? How in the devil did you? I'm trying. Oh, there you are. Well, you look a little stressed. I didn't do it. You did it yourself. Uh-huh. All right, now back up. There you go. Yeah? No, I don't. No. All right. Rotten. Look at that, it's brewing pretty quick. I have the camera level, and you can tell we're leaning to the driver's side some because of the way that it is. Leftovers from last night, I'll be scraping that out and giving that to the outside four-legged creatures. Yes, sirree. Nice. Man. I mean, you can't beat freshly ground coffee. I mean, they got those machines that'll do your freshly ground coffee in the truck stops now, but they use very, very, very little grounds. I fill the whole basket full of grounds because I like coffee to really zippity do. But so Mr. Coffee makes an okay little 12-cup coffee pot. I drink enough coffee. I don't get them 5-cup, 4-cup, 1-cup things. No. And then the skull shaver. I think I got the silver. What did that say? Pitbull Silver. So it wasn't their top of the line one, but you know, works great. This one has 4. The fancier one has a middle 5th one. I'll get that one day, and it covers a little bit larger area. This is where my coffee's going in. Well, we've been 9 minutes of brewing coffee. I could already drink some of that right there if I wanted. I wonder, can we see? No, we cannot. The shadow is not right. There you go. You can see. Yeah, that thing's full to the top of grounds. Well, that's the day in the life of me for a moment or two. But we're gonna go, and I'm gonna enjoy this coffee. Oh, smells so good. Where are we at? We at 6 cups. So we're halfway there. 10 minutes. So I don't know. You guys just want to hang out with me and we'll see how long it takes to do the whole bit. I think we can. Let's see. You know, it's a 900 watt unit. And on my APU, there we go. Alright, so we're pulling 70 amps as it's heating up. That's not bad. Okay, I like that. Doing the steam percolating. We're doing 0.8 kilowatts coming out. Now very little. So that's safe. Of course it's a 40 amp. It can handle some amperage. And it kicked back on just now. We were charging at 14.1 and it only pulled us down to 14.3. That isn't bad at all. Isn't bad at all. I won't bore you all with all the coffee, but you see how dark my coffee. I like to make the coffee. Let's look at it again. I mean, you can't even see through that, even with these bright lights in here. Oh, I gotta clean my countertop. I do. Have I explained to y'all my rings? It's been a while. A wedding band ring. It's a purdy one. Well, it's dirty. She normally glitter sparkles, but it's got a eagle. And then this here, my dad is in here. A little bit of his ashes in the set screw. And there's his initials. There we go. And his fingerprint. May he rest in peace. And I sure hope we're right that we get to see them again in the future. But we all believe something similar, so someone's right. So I think most of us are right. Now anyone that I don't know, could be hope, faith, expectations, lack thereof, I don't know. Makes you question though, if we gotta ride it now. Take it. Yeah, coffee. Coffee. You playing with that sock I got you? Oh, speaking of socks, he ends up getting my wore out socks, or he gets the ones I didn't offer to him, you know, whichever. And I've ordered 6 more pairs to come to me with my groceries today. Of them boot socks. I really like the boot socks a lot. There's the shop fellers. Oh, they didn't come out. There goes the fuel tanker. There's the macro sitting all handsome. Yeah, I'm recording you. There goes Wally World. Hey, I ordered groceries from you guys. Awesome. It is almost done. I hear it bubbly burping. Bubbly burping. Yeah, I tie a knot on either end of a sock and I throw it to him. So he knows that's one I won't get onto him for playing with. He loves it. This thermos keeps hot coffee pretty hot. Of quite some time. So tomorrow morning I'll still have coffee in here, and we'll see how it does with this homemade coffee. What? You can snack. You can snack. Daddy's what is that happening? You ain't never seen one of them before, have you, bud? I had a little over 12 cups of water in there. We'll see how much comes out with the freshly ground coffee. Oh, yeah, I know. I'm sorry. Oh, motorcycle thumping. What was that, Mac? You missed it. But that's my emergency bottles. I've filled it up. I gotta get rid of it. I pour it out in a ditch and then I throw it away. I don't want some guy to have to pick that up out of a trash can being that heavy. Some just want beep, beep, beep. Does that mean we're done? Did I put that many grounds to absorb that much? Probably. You can put a spoon and stand it straight up in there. And I got some stevia packets coming to me, so I can have black sugar coffee, sweet coffee. It's not really sugar. Can we accomplish this without spilling it on your lap? So far we're making it happen. Well, I'll be dang, fellers, fellas. This thing is. Can you see the level in there? The level's about to here. So she's plenty full to put some creamer, sugar, whatever you want in there. Nor if you think you, which I never would, and think you made it too strong. Yes, sir. Stanley brand. Apparently there was a thing about girly men wanting Stanley products. Someone told me. I didn't see it online. Because it's the TikTok, and I don't use the TikTok. Trying to see how many ounces. 64 ounces. I might have got it all the way to the top if I wouldn't have put as many grounds in there as I did. But I'll turn off the brew now, but now you can see the grounds I threw in there. Place that back in there. See if there's any more water. I told it to brew one more time. Let's see. No. There's no more water. Let's get my coffee cup. That's so cool. I'm so proud of that. He's laying down behind me. Let's give her a taste here. The annoyances of having a dog. I have a little coffee left in here, so I'm just gonna put some of my super strong coffee on top of this older coffee. Oh, yep, yep, yep. It's super strong on the flavor. Well, that's how I like coffee. Mm. Yeah, I'm happy with that. So, the Pitbull Skull Shaver, just any model that I highly recommend. And then this one, first time using it, like it. Fills up a 64-ounce thermos, pretty close. And of course, I got the Orca cooler cup, love it. So I highly, first use, very happy. Man, that's good. And whatever coffee you like, I suggest don't pay extra for someone to grind up your coffee, because they're going to put it to the certain thickness or granule size, and you'll be buying their air. I'd rather get just a bean, grind it up. I grind it down pretty small, so I get a lot of oils out of this. Unless you're those that like the Dunkins or the McDonald's or the whichevers, you know, they never change. I like the McDonald's blue one. I think it's the Colombian. Wife got me turned on to that at some point. Ooh. What you doing, little horse? He's just playing. Boy, he slammed right into me. Pushing against a wall. We don't have nice things, but we have nice things. I mean, I've got a smaller drill, Cobalt, and I got this sucker. This sucker will break loose semi-lug nuts easy. And it's geared as such it won't rip your wrist right off your fingers. You know. So, freaking awesome. I do have nice things. She probably saw my antenna. Very excited. What are you doing, horse? No, you can't get in my lap. Back up. Here's my show. Here, you want to see something that'll make them move quick? Nah, I won't tease them. It's the little Dremel grinder for dogs. For his nails. I'll be getting that out later and using it tonight. If I get it out now and tease him with it, it literally stresses him out. So. But he sits there, not happy, as I take care of his fingernails. Oh, his sock. That's what he's been playing with. I thought he left that in the floor. Alright, you guys, Beer Trucker signing off. Later.